Let's harvest some breakfast from the backyard food forest garden. Come along. Look at all these beautiful clusters of Thompson Seedless Grapes. They're all good to go, but this one here is looking like the perfect meal this morning. That'll do it. Just giving these grapes a quick rinse. And I will now enjoy my breakfast here on July 31st, 2025. It's a beautiful grape harvest. I'm very thankful for it. There are few things as satisfying in life as harvesting fresh produce from your garden and enjoying it as a meal. The way I like to eat them is to just grab a little bunch and strip them off with my teeth. Now, I did not fertilize these grapes at all, and really didn't give them all that much water except for when they first started putting off clusters. These are great for juicing as well. Grow more of your own food at home, my friends. It's well worth it, extremely satisfying. You'll be happy you did.